Hello dear students, how are you? I hope you all are fine. Okay, so now we learn A to Z. Okay, now we know how to write A to Z in sequence also. So today we will write A to Z but with picture. You have to draw picture for each alphabet. Okay, so bring your E1 notebook and in that notebook write today's date and we will write A to Z with picture. Okay, so let's see. First, which alphabet? Yes, alphabet A. So start from this margin line, write capital alphabet A. Then A is for what? A is for apple. So draw a picture of an apple. Okay, and this way. A is for apple. Then leave one finger space and write here capital alphabet. A के बाद क्या आता है? Yes, B and B is for ball. Okay, this way. Then again leave one finger space and write here capital alphabet which? Yes, C and C is for cat. Okay, so how to draw cat? One circle, then one big circle. Then here up and down for the ears, two eyes and mouth, and here one tail, and then legs up and down, this way. Okay, now last we have to write capital alphabet D. In one line we will write only 4 alphabets. Then D is for what? D is for drum. So first 2 lines like this, then 2 slipping lines. Okay, then do up and down, and here sticks for the drum. This way. Okay, no problem if your drawing is going out of these 4 lines. Only you have to follow red and blue line for the alphabets. Okay, now in the next line after A, B, C, D, what comes? Yes, capital alphabet E, and E is for simple, E is for egg. We will draw simple egg. Okay, E is for egg. Then below this B we write capital alphabet F, and F is for, yes, F is for fish. So draw a small fish, its wings. Okay, like this, simple fish. Then here E, F, yes, G, capital alphabet G, and G is for, yes, grapes. G is for grapes. So small circles, join them together, and one standing line and one slipping line. G is for grapes. Again E, F, G. Then which alphabet will come? Yes, capital alphabet H, and H is for what? H is for hat. So just 2 slant lines like this, and then join these 2 lines and draw a curved line over here. See this way. Okay, so this is your H for hat. Then again in the next line, which alphabet will come? E. Okay, now in the next line, E, F, G, H, here will come capital alphabet I, and I is for what? I is for ice cream. So first draw like this ice cream cone, and then ice cream. Okay, I is for ice cream. Then J. J is for joker. One big circle, and here like this frill and 2 eyes and the nose and the cap. जोकर को कैप बहुत जरूरी है. See like this. Okay. J. After J, capital alphabet K, and K is for, yes, K is for kite. So it is very simple to draw like this. K is for kite. After K, L, and L is for lamb. So you can draw lamb any way you know. Okay. So like this I am drawing very simple way. See, this is your lamb. After L, M, capital alphabet M, and M is for mango. This way. After M, N, and N is for, we have to draw net. N is for net. First like this, rectangle shape, then two standing line, and then like this standing and slipping line over here. So this is N is for net. After N, L, M, N, then which alphabet will come? Yes, O, and O is for orange. Draw a circle, and here you have to draw like this shape. And this is your O is for orange. Okay, simple way I am showing you. Then after O, yes, capital alphabet P, and P is for, you can draw pen, you can draw pencil, just like this, rectangle shape, and then pointed point. Okay, like this. Then after P, which letter will come? Again you have to say L, M, N, O, P. Then here will come capital alphabet Q, and Q is for quill. Just like this slant lines over here, and your quill is there. Okay. Then capital alphabet R, and R is for, we will draw a rabbit. Okay, and this very simple way to draw this rabbit. This way. This way. So like this we will draw R for rabbit. Then next S, and S is for sun. So very simple to draw, circle and like this rays. Okay, S is for sun. Then capital alphabet T, and T is for tree. So two standing line and like this bumper this. So it is T is for tree. Then in the next line again ST. Then what will come over here? U, and U is for umbrella. So very simple, half circle, one sleeping line, here up and down, and here one standing line, and here one tongue. So it is umbrella. You can draw like this lines also in it. Okay. So U. Then V. V is for, we have to draw van. So this is also very simple to draw. See like this, rectangle shape. Then give here one line and two circle like this for its wheel. And this is your V is for van. Okay. After V, which letter will come? Yes, W, and W is for watch. So one circle like this, then two sleeping line here and two sleeping line from this side. So your watch, and here you can put one dot and two like this lines. Okay, so W is for watch. Then after W, U, V, W, then here X will come. X, and X is for Xmas tree. So how we have to draw? Like this two standing line and then 2 sleeping line from this side, then go up, from here also go up, then again slant line like this, again come inside, and here one up and down line. Simple way. Okay, so X is for Xmas tree. Then next is capital alphabet Y, and Y is for, you can draw yo-yo or you can draw yacht. So like this, Y is for yacht. Okay, and the last one is Z, and Z, just draw a zigzag line like this. Okay, so like this today we learn A to Z capital alphabets with picture. Now you have to write this in your E1 notebook, and please upload your homework. Thank you.